Hi, I'm Joan Butts. I'm the founder of the online School of Bridge and I've taught a lot of bridge. I've created a new course and that's called Transition from Standard to 2 over 1 Game Force. And the reason I've added it is because a number of people are wanting to make the move to a more modern version of their system. You can move from ACOL or Standard American to 2 over 1 Game Force. There are just some parts of your system, you certainly don't have to change all your system, but some parts need improving. It's not your fault, it's the system's fault. And if you take up 2 over 1 Game Force, you'll find the bidding is easier and better and simpler. And it'll also allow you to reach better contracts and, in particular, great slams. So, my new course consists of a main video, student notes, a quiz, and also the unique nature of it is that you can play with the robots with my hints. You can play the same hands first in standard, and then you can play the same hand again in 2 over 1 Game Force, and you'll really get to know the differences in the bidding, and you'll see why 2 over 1 Game Force is superior. So there are 4 lessons like that and 4 hands, but really there are 8 hands because you can play in both systems. And I encourage you to do that, and it'll make it a lot easier to see the differences. There's also a free lesson. So why don't you give that a try? And I hope that you'll enjoy the transition from standard to 2 over 1 Game Force.